Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. So if we discuss about bipolar junction transistor, bipolar means bipolar junction transistor will use both electrons and holes for energy transfer. The energy may be in the form of current or voltage. So for transferring the energy, bipolar junction transistor will use both electrons and holes. Next, this bipolar junction transistor is a 3-terminal device. It is a 3-terminal device. What are the 3 terminals which are used in the bipolar junction transistor? First one is emitter. Second one is base. Third one is collector. So these are the 3 important terminals that are used in the bipolar junction transistor. So it is called as a 3-terminal device. Next, this BJT can also be called as the current controlled device. Because the conventional current flowing through this bipolar junction transistor decides the configuration of the bipolar junction transistor. So we have 2 types of configuration. First one is NPN configuration, NPN. Next, second one is PNP. First one is NPN, second one is PNP. So what is NPN and PNP? NPN means one P type of semiconductor is doped in between 2 N type of semiconductors. Next, PNP means one N type of semiconductor is doped in between 2 P type of semiconductor. So if we see the use cases of this bipolar junction transistor, these are used in amplifiers. And these are used in electronic switch. In next video, let's discuss how this transistor can be used as the electronic switches. So in NPN and PNP, I said N type and P type of semiconductors are used. What are N type and P type of semiconductor? N type semiconductor means, so these semiconductors have the intermediate conduction between the insulators and the conductors. To increase their conduction, we will add the impurities. So the impurity that we will add decide the type of the semiconductor. In N type of semiconductor, we will add pentavalent impurities. Pentavalent impurities means these elements will be having the 5 number of free electrons in their outer shell. For example, aluminium, arsenic, this will be the example for N type. Next, if we consider the P type of semiconductors, will be having trivalent impurities. Added to them, that is doped in them to increase the conductivity. Example for trivalent are, N type only arsenic and P type it is aluminium. So the example for P type is aluminium and N type is arsenic. Now let's discuss about how NPN and PNP junction will work. So first one is NPN. So N is doped in between, in NPN, P will be doped in between 2 N's. That is, P type of semiconductor is doped in between 2 N type of semiconductors. So here the 3 terminals will be connected to them. The 3 terminals are, first one is emitter terminal, next second one is base terminal, third one is collector terminal. In the emitter terminal, the emitter will emit the electron for the conduction, and this emitter region is highly doped region. Among these 3 terminals, emitter is the highly doped region. Next, base. The base will collect the electron which is sent from the emitter and then send it to the collector. So the base will collect the electron which is emitted by the emitter and then send it to the collector. So this base region is lightly doped region, and this collector will collect the electron which is emitted through the emitter and start conduction, because electron is needed for the conduction of the charges or the current. So now let's discuss about the conventional flow of current in both PNP and NPN transistor. If I consider PNP transistor, two P type of semiconductors, in between them N type of semiconductor, same emitter, base and collector, same operations they will do, that is emitter, base and collector. If we consider the conventional flow of current in NPN transistor, this is collector, emitter, and this will be the base. The conventional current in NPN transistor will flow from base to emitter, that is from base to emitter. In PNP transistor, the same conventional current will flow from emitter towards the base, that is emitter towards the base. Here from base to emitter, here from emitter to base. Hope you understood the concept of BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. If you like the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Thank you.